Hi guys, you are welcome. It's still hairy October and we're still learning how to achieve and maintain long and healthy natural or permed hair. And today we are going to, instead of buying all these expensive products that do not work in the end, we are going to make our own hair masks at home. You can achieve and maintain long, healthy and natural hair by natural, effective and cost-effective means. Until today, as you can see, all you will need for your hair mask is 2 egg yolks, and an egg costs just about a cedi in Ghana. Depending on the volume of your hair, you need about 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, as well as 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. These are the only things you will need apart from your shampoo, conditioner, leave-in for this hair mask. It's as simple as ABC and very, very cost effective. This hair mask is so easy to do and it's effective, that is if you are consistent with it. All you have to do from here is to whisk them together. Whisk until everything is evenly mixed. You can make it your hair routine. You can add it to your hair routine every month, whatever it is. The next step is to part your hair. That is, if you wash your hair at home, you have to go through this process. You part your hair into sections and then comb it out. And as you can see, you always comb from the tip to the root. Always from the tip to the root. This is to help your hair break less and to help detangle it easily. You always comb from the tip to the root. After which you wet your hair, of course with water. Please, if you're enjoying the video so far, please do well to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. In this video you get to learn how to make your hair mask and also learn how to wash your hair at home. So this is a 2-in-1 kind of thing. It's a bonus, yeah. So these are my hair products that I use. I use aloemed, and I first shampoo, and as you can see, this is the first round of shampooing. Your hair needs to be as clean as possible. You need to get all that buildup out, the dirt, the products, all that there is. So you shampoo as often as will be okay for you. I had to shampoo twice to get everything out of my hair. And please do want to be gentle with your hair if you are washing it at home. And if you're going to the salon, tell your hairdresser or your beautician to be gentle with your hair. No violence on the hair. A healthy hair starts from the roots, and so do well to get out all the dirt from the scalp. We want to open our pores and allow our treatment to settle in when we put it in. Like I said, please be gentle even when you are drying it. My choice for conditioning is the aloe vera strengthening conditioner. I choose their product because it's the most natural that I can find for now, and it's good stuff because aloe vera strengthens hair, contains vitamin A, B12, C and E, controls greasy hair, helps with itchy scalps, and helps with hair growth because of alanine that is present in aloe vera, and it also reduces breakage or lessens breakage. So I love aloe vera products that are natural. So I put in as much conditioner that I'll need and then comb it out. Please be gentle with the hair. If you've not seen our previous video about some of the things that you do too much that damages your hair, you can see the link above. If you're liking this video, please do want to subscribe. You comb out your hair to detangle it as much as possible, always from the tip to the roots to make detangling easier and prevents breakage. After conditioning, you can leave your hair in a cup, a shower cup, or a rubber, or whatever you can find that is good for you, that is good enough for you, for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes to allow the conditioner work its magic.
2,000 years later.
After some time, after you've allowed the conditioner to sit for some time, you have to wash it out. After washing it out, you partly dry the hair. And voila, here we are. We're about to apply our mixture or our hair mask or our protein into our hair. The reason why we use these ingredients is because for egg yolks, they are treatment for hair loss and they help with brittle hair. They make hair grow faster because egg yolks contains vitamins A and D, which makes the hair more resistant to damage. It also contains biotin and folate. These are nutrients that are naturally contained in eggs, and they are the same ones that can be found in healthy and glossy hair. So even though egg is not that expensive, trust me, it does a lot of good to your hair. The only side effect that comes with using egg yolks is if and when you are allergic to eggs. If you are, please don't use it. When we come to olive oil, it does a lot of good. It fights dandruff, it adds weight and moisture to your hair, it repairs split ends. After you've cut off the split ends, you can use olive oil to repair it. And then it softens your hair, makes it more manageable, it strengthens it and reduces breakage. It promotes hair growth. Trust me, it's good nutrition for your hair and it repairs damaged hair. Coconut oil also does well with treating split ends and protecting your hair from heat damage. It contains vitamins and fatty acids that gives your hair a stronger, shinier and larger feel. So after applying it, you put your hair in some braids or however you want to put it, and then leave it in rubber, shower cap or whatever you can make do with. Your hairdresser can do this for you to avoid all this wahala. And then after letting it sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, it can be more, you can wash it out. I used orange in my water because of the smell that the egg yolk gives. So anything acidic, lemon, whatever you can find that can reduce the smell a little bit will help. After washing it out, I dried it a little bit more. So be careful not to use too much coconut oil unless you wash it out, because it will make your hair feel too greasy if you put in too much. If you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use small amount of it, but if not and you would wash it out, then that's fine. You can use as much as you need for your hair. After doing this treatment, I also do a hot oil treatment for the hair, and with that I use just coconut oil and then the olive oil without the egg. Please be careful to note that when you're washing out the protein hair mask, don't use hot water or warm water or whatever it is, or else the egg will cook in your hair and it will be very hard to get it out. So always do well to use cold water. So that's my mixture of coconut oil and olive oil that I'm applying to my hair. I part the hair into sections and then make sure that each section gets as much as needed. and do well to massage it into your scalp. Massaging your scalp actually helps with hair growth. Whether or not you're applying something in, you can take some time off to massage your scalps. It's physically relieving, and it also helps blood flow or blood circulation in your scalp, which helps to improve hair growth. So after applying it, make sure each section of the hair gets as much. So from your root to your tip should be covered in coconut and olive oil mixture. After which we will wash out. Note that we're washing it out, that's why we're using this much. If not, we just need a little bit to leave it in. So guys, if you're liking this video and you're loving it or it's teaching you something, please do well to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. If you're having struggles with your hair, you can share it here and I'll answer it in my upcoming videos. In one of our videos, we will talk about when to know that your hair needs a protein treatment or when there is lack of protein. Thank you for watching this video. Team Joy loves you so much.